Today we're unboxing 5 new watches and 2 of them will be part of the 2024 Christmas giveaway. As we unbox, I'll reveal which 2 will be given to you, share my first impressions, one of these 5 having my dream watch complication, one is my first ever IX and Dow, and revisit a watch so good I had to buy it after already reviewing it 3 months ago. Stick around because there are a couple of interesting plot twists that you don't want to miss. To the first unboxing, we'll start out with the Baltony. Sorry for any plastic noises. So yeah, this watch is actually the one I already featured on this channel, and it was a watch that I borrowed from a fellow friend to review on the channel, and I was so impressed of this watch that I really had to get it for myself, although this is a different size than the one I reviewed. So I did review the 36mm version, and to find the full review I'll link to those at the end of this video, and you can also check in the description where you will be able to find the link to my full review of it. However, finally I have this watch in my hand, and I really haven't been able to get it off my mind ever since I had it on the channel, and that should speak volumes of how good this watch actually is. And the main highlights of this watch that makes it so good is actually the crystal. I mean, the clarity of this crystal is better than anything I have handled. Like, this is some really strong light. You can clearly see a difference between those watches. On the reflections, this one is far more visible, while this one is much less so. And in real life, yeah, there is a big difference in crystal clarity. However, this is one of the best watches for its price point, because this one is much cheaper than this one, although during the sales this one can be had for a very good price. Also, comment down below and let me know if you're interested in me making a full comparison between these 2 watches now as I have them both in hand. Unfortunately, this is sold out currently. This one you can get it right now because it hasn't sold out. We got a numbered warranty card, a manual, microfiber cloth, and some useful tools for resizing. We got this faux leather, so it's not real leather, but it does a good job of protecting the watch when you want to use it with the case that it comes with. This one is kind of thin, and I can see it actually being used, so really appreciate it. Let's keep unwrapping this watch. Let's have a quick look. So we have a sapphire crystal, is 369 stainless steel all out. I went with the NH38 movement. I see this one with 2 big advantages. First, the price is better. Second, the movement should be more durable according to my research. So that's my recommendation for you if you like this watch. For me, I can't live without this watch because it hasn't left my mind ever since I reviewed it. The last stickers. Bum. And I said, for the full details of this watch, I did already review it, so feel free. This is just a very short recap. And yeah, this clasp is much better than what I initially reviewed back 3 months ago. Really nice to see. I'm happy because I was worried about this part. I think it was my only complaint about this watch. I don't remember really. Because I did fall in love with this watch. And here it is. I'm so happy about it, really. Let's see how it looks on wrist. Gorgeous. I'm really happy with the size I went with. I think it sits perfectly on my 7.1 inch wrist. Yeah, my initial impressions, I already reviewed this watch. I'm very happy about it, to have it now, finally. It has been on my wish list, and only during the sale did I find the price so good, and only recently bought it because they did actually lower the price for this one. So during the sales, like right now, it's a very good time to get it. To the second unboxing, and I have an explanation. I did sneak open it, and I will explain why. Well, basically I did it because this is the first giveaway watch, and I wanted to open it in a nice way so that the receiver of this watch will be able to get somewhat of a full unboxing experience himself or herself. Ladies are very welcome to participate also. So this watch was given to me for a giveaway because Sesame felt like they wanted to connect with you guys, as they were very pleased with the feedback they got when I reviewed this watch already. So they decided to give me a watch to give out to you guys as a thank you. And there is a plot twist here, because they did actually improve upon this watch. That improvement being the crystal. Sorry for the one who will receive this gift for Christmas, but I have to peel this off just to do a comparison. So the old one, which I have to my left, they're still sold in this color, so don't worry. The only change is the crystal here. It has now with the new one, so if you buy this watch, you will get a sapphire crystal. And we can actually see that they managed to make the sapphire crystal more clear than the mineral crystal. Very good job, Sesame. Very good job, because normally it's the other way around. Sapphire crystals are more reflective. And as we can see here, they actually did a pretty good job. Really interesting to see. Sad that I have to give this away, because quite honestly, I quite like this color more now that I have it in hand than the one I own myself. So, Merry Christmas to you, whoever gets this watch. And I will announce how to participate in the giveaway. So stick around. Actually, I don't know why they gave us this tool. It's a very good tool, so nice to have it. The quality of it, it's plastic, but it is sturdy. However, the first plot twist of this video, this watch actually comes with screw-in links. So this one not particularly useful for this model. However, it is very useful for when you do need it for other models. So the winner, you'll still get it, don't worry. What else do we get with the watch? We get a warranty card. It's not stamped or anything. We get a microfiber cloth. So this one is going back nicely to be received by its Christmas giveaway winner. I've never unpacked a watch this nicely before. So, and the watch with my dream complication. So let's see what it is and what's inside. So first off, we get new packaging. This is not like before. We get a warranty card, which is the same as previously, and a manual in Chinese and English. And I really think this new packaging is an upgrade. I did unbox a Farasuit watch previously, and the packaging was quite different. Although it was very high quality box you got with the watch, this one is actually useful. So it's a kind of a travel bag. And a very beautiful one at that. So I did unbox this watch already. I couldn't hold myself back because I was so excited about this watch. What's sad is that they have discontinued this watch, and they currently only have 20 pieces in stock. So if you guys can convince them down in the comments below that you like this watch, they might actually keep producing it. So what makes this watch so special? Well, despite what I think about their quality, finishing quality, which is really nice, like there is no talking about that. Just look, it's like a mirror how it reflects my arm hairs. Wow. And it's the same with the other watch. Like, it's really crazy the level of finishing they provide here. And there are some things that I really appreciate about this watch. I'll go through them right now, right here. First and foremost is this movement. So have a look at that. It's a micro rotor movement. And what I really appreciate about it You see how smooth that rotor moves around? It's gonna make the watch actually wind pretty well when you wear it on wrist. So wow, 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 wow. The finishing on that movement is also gorgeous. I wish I could wear it like this, no jokes, but the lugs, unfortunately for me, they're turned the other way around. But very fortunate for me as well, is this watch looks so good. This is my favorite color, as you know me by now, olive green. And yeah, this is just my first impressions video, and I will do a full review for this watch as well. However, it is low on stock and they're not certain if they will keep producing this watch or not. So let's unbox my first ever IX and DA watch. And already from what I can see on the packaging, it does seem like a very good presentation. And again, we get an actually useful box to carry around. Wow, I got like a wallet here. I think I could use this for my... This is actually very useful, because I could use it as a wallet. I really like what I see. It's very soft. Is it real leather? I don't know. I'm not gonna comment on that, because I'm no leather expert. I just know when it feels good, and it does. Okay, a warranty card and a manual. Yeah, it's also in English. And also I have a very, very, very interesting thing going on with this brand. They are making a daughter brand now, which will focus on making military styled watches, and they are looking for suggestions. So if you have any good suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, because I will share that with them and they will be very happy to receive, yeah, any suggestions. And here it is, a watch I am very excited about, because when I first saw this, I was really intrigued by two things. The watch face, how it looks in the front. This is a quartz watch, it's not an automatic. And the case back. So let's see what's back there. So first impressions, the leather here is really nice, and yeah, it is lactose. It is lactose branded here, so they claim it to be genuine alligator leather, and I have a wallet actually that is in alligator leather, and this feels very similar. It's really soft, and yeah, it does feel really high quality in hand. Although I cannot verify what animal this is, but I wouldn't be very doubtful. Yeah, back to the watch. Wow, just look at this blue color on the indices and hands. Look at that hour hand. Yeah, I will do a full review, of course, where I will do very close-up macro shots. And to the case back. Oh, still has a cover here. Why is it so hard? Finally. Think what you want to think of this. I think it's a very cool case back. It has a very antique feeling to it. Wow. Yeah. Stuck to itself like that. We can see it is branded here with their logo. And this is the clasp. Very nicely finished initially, what I can tell. So we'll see more of this in the full review. I will leave a link to all these watches in the description down below, where you can check the full specification list and sizing and all that. I'm not gonna have time doing that in this video. Wait around for the full review, or check out the link in the description. Now it's time for the watch dives watch. It's the green color, and this watch will be the second watch for a giveaway. I will make a full review of this watch before I give it away. So unfortunately I have to take all the plastics off. Sorry. And just looking at the dial, I really appreciate this model for a couple reasons. The first one, the quality here on offer for the little they ask for the price. Well, it's not the cheapest watch you've seen, but it's not very expensive for the quality you get here, supposedly. And we're gonna take a closer look at their claims in the full review. So I'm not gonna comment already, but this far I can't prove them wrong. See for the full review. And I do appreciate when they do these kind of pull tabs, makes it easier. So here we have the watch. The second thing I really appreciate about this watch is the date wheel at 6 o'clock. Like, that's the place to place it, basically. On top of that, they color coded it to the dial. Big plus. I hope every watch manufacturer does that. The third thing I really appreciate about this watch, you can see here, it has quick release springs, so it should be very convenient to pull it off without any tools. And we can take a closer look here. Basically grab those with your nails, push them together. Now I will just put them with my nails again, pinch them together and place it back, and as easy as that, the bracelet is back. And another brand that does this is Sesame, so props to you two guys. I really hope more watch brands do this. So for the full review, do make sure to subscribe and come back, because I think within a week I'll give this one the full review. Also, this is the watch that will be part of the double giveaway, so the giveaway for this watch will be held in the full review, but I can't tell on comfortability already. I need to wear it the very least a full day. Initial impressions, really happy with it. Sadly, I'll have to give this one away because Watch Dives gave it to me to give it to you guys. So props to them for doing that. To participate in the giveaway, you have to follow 3 simple instructions. Number 1, you have to like the video and be subscribed to the channel. I can actually verify that. Number 2, you have to leave a comment under this video. Include the secret instruction that was given throughout this video. So if you missed it, go back and find it. Just include it secretly and write anything you want in the comment. I do appreciate feedback to the channel, to my work, what you want me to improve, whatever. Or you can just comment about the watches or how your day has been, or try to make me laugh. Number 3, go into this video up here. It's the top 10 best watches between $50 and $100 US. Feel free to watch it if you want, and leave a comment there as well, only writing participated. Only write that. Merry Christmas in advance, and there will be a second giveaway held for the Watch Dives on that review.